I'll go over there. I'll taxi out, then walk over. It does? I thought it would have been good. Look out behind you, Nate. Man, you guys were formating out there. Formating. The hell was that, Keon? What are you doing, Frank? It's a whole lot of beeping and bopping and dinging and stuff. What? Oh, ain't waiting now, sheesh. Gear up. Wibbles and wobbles and all that stuff. Woo! Digging that F-4. Yep.
He's sandbagging. He's got to be sandbagging. Are you sandbagging, Nate?
Whoa! Big bumps out there, Jesus.
This gyro is doing really good, man.
Time remaining. 3
Barely
minutes.
bumping.
Right, you guys are all fucking down.
That thing moves.
Yeah.
Woo!
That Yak sounds like a turbine, dude.
It does, doesn't it?
The exhaust sounds just like a turbine. It's
Yeah.
really cool.
It's got a custom setup in it.
You think that's why it sounds like that?
Oh yeah, Spectrum. Spectrum. Spectrum.
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
The Spectrum radio sounds like this?
You should. I'm telling you, man.
I don't know what it is about the Yak, but yeah, you're right. It makes that cool,
It's
that cool roar. Yeah, the exhaust.
And the intake, whatever. Everything counts.
Time remaining. 1 minute. 29 seconds.
Clear.
That F-4 is cool.
Who's that?
That's Nate.
No, I mean, who makes it?
Oh, Eflite.
Oh, that's the new one.
Yeah. All right, I'm formating.
We're going to take this Yak's license away. He's flying over landed area.
Go.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
It's super crazy bumpy out there, though.
Is it? Yeah.
There's
It is bumpy. It's
major
over
thermals.
the hot, area, probably.
Yeah, thermals. Yeah.
Where is he?
Oh, I don't know.
Do you see Burning Man somewhere?
No,
Do you
no.
see Burning Man?
No.
Robert.
30 seconds.
Burning Man!
I don't know where he is right now.
Robert!
10, 9,
I'm getting ready to come in on this after this pass.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Stand out. So I saw all kinds of Who's calling out Robert?
Alright, I'm coming in behind you.
Gear down.
I'll space it out.
Who's calling out Robert?
I was. I wanted him to see this gyro in action.
Oh.
He's over there at the table.
So Frankie, just tell me where you are.
He's on final. He's on the runway. He's on the right side of the runway. Go to the left a bit.
Alright. There we go. I see him. Just like to know so we don't spear each other.
Sword.
That's right. I just don't want to wave it all around.
I just got sorted by a beautiful pink sword.
Leave my pinky plane alone, man.
Oh my god.
All sorts of.
It's so much fun. Hey, it's even got a fiery butt.
And it's got a plastic nose though, not a foam. Yeah, so it can penetrate easily.
Oh god.
Are you on camera?
Yeah, that's there.
Oh, sorry,
No, it's all good. It's
delete.